Welcome on board the Meta Instincts channel. S3 has finally been unveiled, and we have one of the S3 heroes, Onimusha. He is a super strong hero, and we will cover him in today's video and share some exciting news about Packsify. Skills. Onimusha is a single target hero from the Cutthroat family. His first skill deals up to 720% of attacks to one ship in Cutthroat damage, making it currently the highest damage per target in Sea of Conquest. His second skill increases his critical rate by up to 30% for 2 seconds when he hits a wounded ship. A ship with a remaining HP below 50% is considered wounded. Additionally, his fifth skill will mark the target as wounded for 5 seconds when he performs the skill, allowing him to always gain a 30% critical rate after unlocking the fifth skill, which requires ascending to rank 6. His third skill provides up to 40% critical damage to the ship, benefiting not only himself but also other heroes on the same ship, such as Luna and Bones. His fourth skill is even better, as it reduces the target's armor by up to 20% and healing by up to 30% for 5 seconds when the ship deals critical hit and cutthroat damage to a target. This debuff weakens the opponent, allowing our ships to deal more damage. On the first day of S3, we obtained 2 Onimushas using 80 him conks, ascending him to rank 3. When the season began, we acquired half of the conks from the exclusive bundles, which were cheaper than the usual bundles. It gets even cheaper when we buy them through Packsify, the sponsor of this video, by up to 28%. Packsify has a Discord community with over 10,000 members that saved players over $4.1 million over the last 3 years. Now, they're launching an app that makes getting discounts effortless. Join the waiting list to enjoy exclusive bonuses, including early bird discounts ranging from 10 to 35% and an additional 15% discount for the first 2 weeks. Test the app with 500 free credits, with no credit card required. Grant early access to the app 7 days before the public release. Discord giveaways boost, double the chances of winning big giveaways in May and June via the Packsify Discord server. Over 2,000 players joined already. Secure your spot before it's too late, and enjoy effortless discounts and bonuses from day one. Trinket. Cross-Spear Palace is the first mate's legendary trinket, which provides up to a 36% critical rate to the ship. If you still need to learn about the importance of critical rates and how to optimize them, please visit the video linked in the description. Although the palace appears to be exclusive to Onimusha, it can be equipped to be used by any hero with the first mate tag, such as Boa, Sharky, Tanaka, and more. Doing so will enable the trinket's effect, boosting the ship's attack and cutthroat damage by up to 20% when the target fleet is wounded. This trinket comes highly recommended. Strategy. Onimusha is commonly combined with Bones and Luna in the Warhammer ship. Onimusha's fourth skill can be more easily triggered with 3 cutthroat heroes on a ship. Some players incorporate Onimusha into strategic, blazing, or artillery ships to exploit its critical damage boost skill. They consider Onimusha as an item rather than a cutthroat hero. For example, having Onimusha on the strategic ship will significantly boost Griffin's damage output by enhancing critical hits. However, it might not suit every player because of the difference in hero rank and trinket. For instance, Onimusha is more effective on our Cutthroat ship because he significantly boosts Luna's damage by around 40% to 100%. It is much higher than the boost on Griffin. Please keep in mind that your result might differ from ours. Thus, you must run some tests and find the best combo for your fleet. Additionally, equipping Palace on the first mate hero significantly enhances the ship's damage output, regardless of the damage type. For instance, if we equip Palace on Boa from the strategic ship, it significantly boosts the damage output of each hero. If the budget allows, getting multiple Palace is highly recommended. In summary, Onimusha is a compelling hero in the ship battle because of the critical hit buffs. Alright, is the end of today's sharing. Please subscribe and stay tuned. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.